Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share with you guys very simple tutorial that if you're facing that you're editing on your Google Chrome, especially for using the web app that's very heavyweight, such as Canva, CapCut on web, and then what else? Most of the case is most of the case were the editing web app. So for instance, the Canva. If you're facing that your Canva is lagging, here how to solve them. This how to solve not on the Canva itself, but you go to your Google Chrome profile and then click the settings. Okay, click settings and then you go to this system. Okay, and then make sure you check this one. You turn on continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, and then use graphic acceleration when available. Okay, so I know most of you perhaps have a very good specs of computer or laptop, and then you're facing that when editing on Canva it's so lagging. Make sure you turn on this one. That's it. This very simple video, simple tutorial. I hope you can get I hope you can solve your problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.